Ladies and gentlemen, this is Joe's Classic Video Games back with another cool arcade game repair video for you this evening. We have a Carnival King. This is like a target practice game. Cool thing about this is it's good for everybody. See, suitable for all ages. It tells you right there. So I got this yesterday actually. I saw it on Facebook Marketplace. The price was pretty good, so I went over there and got it. And I can actually tell that this used to be my machine. I sold this at some point. Mainly because the yellow trim, I usually do that. A lot of people like the colorful trim, a lot of people don't. I think it makes it pop. And I also could tell by the locks. Those are the type of locks that I put on there. I know that sounds crazy. Joe, you can't tell that's your game by the locks. Well, if it's got my locks and it's got yellow trim and it's a mile from my store, chances are I probably sold this machine. And we keep pretty good records of the games that we sell, believe it or not. But a lot of times they'll switch hands. I probably didn't sell it to these people. I sold it to somebody and they played it for a year or two, and then they sold it to somebody else, and they may have sold it to somebody else. And then I'm getting it back. We've been doing this so long, this happens pretty often actually. You get a game and after a year or two you get sick of it, then you sell it, and then they usually sell it. And if you're in business long enough, you might end up with the game that you originally sold. But anyway, I haven't plugged it in, but I know exactly what's wrong with it. It's broke. There it is. Looks like we sold it in 2015, so it's been 8 years. Notice we still had the old carpet. We didn't have the cool carpet we got now. But looks like it had a really nice monitor on it 8 years ago. It looks about like that now. Those are probably 1382 keys. You see them hanging there? One thing about the keys. So I always give everybody the keys. Every game I always put 2 new locks on it and I give them 4 keys. They'll come back years later, something will need to be serviced, and I'll ask them for the key, and they'll say, oh no, you didn't give me a key. Come on now. I gave you a key. I gave you 4 keys. So you lost 4 keys. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. But anyway, I'll see if I can find a set of keys that fits it, and we'll plug it in. I have not plugged it in at all. Like I say, I just got it on Facebook Marketplace yesterday from a nice lady, and she told me it was broke. They actually said her husband watches the channel, actually, but they said it was broke. I didn't ask any questions, because they already told me what was wrong with it. I didn't need to ask any questions. But anyway, we'll go see if we can get it open and we'll plug it in and just see what happens. I got a bunch of spare keys, but they're all different numbers. See, that one's 7500. They keep messing me up. They change the numbers on the keys. I buy these locks like 100 at a time, and they'll be 7500, and then they'll change the number. That one's a 1084, and then they'll change the number again. So depending on when I sold the game, I have no idea what number it is. That's been about 8 years ago, so I'm going to guess that it's a 1382 key if I can find a 1382 key. But I think I'm running out of 1382 keys because I've got back several games and over the years that people lost the key to. Look at that. 1382. Let's go see if that fits. What do you think? Is it going to fit? I'm just guessing at the number because it's been 8 years. And I don't know, about 8 years ago I was using a lot of 1382 keys. Look at that. Didn't think it was going to fit, did you? This ain't my first rodeo. Alright, I got it plugged in. We're going to turn it on. So, basically there's three things it's going to be probably. It's going to be either the power supply, the monitor, or the game board. That's all that can really be. And this is one of those red, I'm sure this is probably going to be a red Carnival King Incredible Technologies board, kind of like a golden T. So those have issues with the video card. But we'll see. I'm going to hit the switch. I heard the monitor turn on, it sounded like. The light is on. Nothing on the screen. I hear that clicking. So it won't start a game. So that pretty much tells me the power supply is probably dead. I know you can't see nothing on the monitor, but I heard it turn on. There we go. The power supply is not dead. I don't know what you guys were talking about. My switch is messed up and my focus is way out of whack. It's coming. So I guess it's probably going to have a 7400 or a 7500 monitor maybe. Could have a 7000. I don't know. It's been 8 years. I told you. But yeah, it's probably going to need another flyback, looks like. It didn't just drift like that on its own. I guess it's not on free plate. I don't know. I got issues, but monitor is working, but it has lots of issues. So let's take off the back door and see what we can do. Alright, here we go. We're hoping for a 7000 or a 7400 would be good. We do not want a Hunter X Polo. Please don't be a Hunter X Polo. It's a 7500, that's pretty good. Alright. Well, it looks like I put a flyback on it 8 years ago and all new caps. Wonder how it got so out of focus like that. It don't look like it's cracked yet. So I guess let's just try to dial it in and see if it'll drift again. There's that red board I was talking about. So we know the board's good. It's on the screen. We know the power supply's good and we know the hard drive's good. So maybe this will be an easy repair. I've already changed that flyback and it looks good. Maybe they've been in there messing with stuff. Alright, so we're going to turn the focus, see what that'll do to us. Well, that's not helping us much at all. Alright, so we either got a bad flyback, we got a bad socket on our neck board where it hooks up to the tube, or we've got a bad tube where the focus pin is broke off. Hopefully that's not the case. I'd rather it be the flyback or the socket on the neck board. So I'm going to take the neck board off and just look at everything and see what that looks like. So I took the neck board off. This is the neck board here. It just connects to the back of the tube like that. And all these pins here, see, go in that connector. And the one that goes here is the focus pin. And sometimes those will break off inside the tube. But luckily this one didn't. It's still in there. So what I did was I sprayed a bunch of this contact cleaner down inside all of these. And this is the kind we like. You'd be surprised how many things are just a dirty connection. But yeah, we fix a lot of things with just spraying it like this. Because we got a game store too. Remember, we deal old Super Nintendo games and Nintendo games and stuff like that. But anyway, we've got a link to this on our website too, where you can find these on Amazon. But anyway, I'm going to put this back on and hopefully that'll fix our focus problem. So I took the neck board off, cleaned it and put it back on, and I can already tell that's a lot better. I know it doesn't look better to you, but let me adjust it. So I may have got extremely lucky. That hardly ever happens. I think it was just a dirty pin on the tube. The focus pin was dirty and it wasn't making a good connection with the socket on the neck board. I mean, y'all saw it. You seen how out of whack it was. So it's still on free play, but my button's not working. Oh yeah, it is. My sound's not working. Alright, maybe they got it turned all the way down. My gun's working. It's not much fun without any sound. Something's probably loose, or it could be a bad, dirty connection on the speaker wires going into the JAMA harness, or something could have came unplugged.
Shoot till they're all gone. Don't miss the clock.
Dirty edge connector. Seen it 100 times.
Time's run out. And your game score is... Enter your
So
result.
this may be the easiest repair I've had in a very, very long time.
All right then. Your skills are...
Mostly because I'm the one who sold this game 8 years ago, so...
Time to hunt. The game is afoot. Round one.
This is actually a fun game. I like this game.
Great.
Let's see if I can get in the test and get the volume up some more.
Run out.
So this is what the test menu looks like on just about all the incredible technology games from 2000 up to about 2006 or so. Let's go down to volume settings.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Step right up. Play Carnival King. Just aim and shoot. Choose from 3 parts. Arcadia, Dreamland, or Lagoon Park. Shoot the clocks for extra game time. Score big and win a bonus round. Test your skill. Do you possess the endurance?
I think that'll be good.
Do you have what it takes?
And then we just go down to exit. We've already got it on free play. Our gun works.
Welcome to Carnival King. How many players today? Where would you like to go? Arcadia, world of enchantment. Shoot to select. Knock them over. Shoot the sets of cats.
We'll do this where you guys can see.
Pull trigger to start. Round 1. Wild, I tell you. Get on. Can it be done? It has been done. Hit the bonus clock. Bonus seconds. All gone. None left. This is quite a streak. Right on. Bonus seconds. They're all gone. So little time. Your time is up. You've earned
Works
extra
perfect.
time. Round 2. Look, the green guy. Nice display. Over there, the green cat. Perfection. You got him. Bonus cat. There's the bonus clock. None left. All clear. That's it. Time is running out. Maybe next time. It has been done. Time's run out. Let's see how you did. Well, let's see your initials. J, O, E. All right then. 15,000 points gets you a bonus round and a chance to be the next Carnival King. 3 more games. Build full sets of 1 color. The challenge is on. Round 1.
Round 1.
Build a yellow set. Build a blue set. Pick a color. Shoot the rest. Look, there's the clock. Bonus seconds. Build full sets of 1 color. Choose a color. Shoot the rest. Build a set of 1 color. A few more seconds. Time's run out. You've extended your time. Round 2. Hold the clock. 1 more time. Build full sets of 1 color. You're running out of time. Time's run out.
Got that last one in at the last second.
Step right up and watch as our hero. 2 more games for the boat. Shoot for the stars. The action starts now. Round 1. Go for the center. What skill?
What skill?
Get over there. Get the clock. Dead aim. Oh, you don't have much time. Time's run out.
Well, there you have it, folks.
Extended time. Round 2.
Round 2.
Bonus star. Shoot the gold card.
So that's about it on that one.
Bonus card.
Take the pictures.
Shoot the star to win big points. Don't
Now I got to clean it up a little bit more, and I've got a
time.
I might touch up the paint. It got scratched up pretty bad there. I probably moved it around a few times since I sold it. But I'll probably redo the paint a little bit on this side. I got to clean that edge connector down there. And I've just kind of got to watch it and make sure everything's okay with it. But yeah, I was kind of hoping this one would be an easy fix since, you know, I could tell I had this machine before. So I sold it about 8 years ago, and I guess it hadn't had much use, so that monitor still looks really nice.
Shooting gallery.
But I gotta keep watching it to make sure it doesn't do anything weird with that focus again. And then we'll list it for sale. So this is probably gonna be a pretty short video. But we appreciate everybody that's been watching us. And thanks for everybody that uses our Amazon links. They're all down below the video if you click the description. And then you got to hit the more button. You can click that Amazon link. And anything you buy on Amazon after that will give us a little tip
Your time is up.
if you use that link before you buy it. So we really appreciate that. That really helps us out a lot at the end of the month. And thanks for everybody that's been watching. And YouTube tells us that 90% of our viewers aren't even subscribers. So it'd be nice if somebody subscribed to us. Come on now. Yeah, we're closing down on 60,000, so that'd be pretty nice if we can hit that by the end of the year. Here's a few of the other games we got for sale. Got Deer Hunter. Got Johnny Nero Action Hero. This is a fun game. This is our shooting section. See, we got a Time Crisis 2. We've got Johnny Nero. We've got deer hunting. And once I get this one finished up, we'll have a Carnival King. And I've got an Area 51 Site 4 I'm still working on. That video is going to be coming out pretty soon. And here's a little sneak peek of what we got working on for Frank. One of our viewers, Frank, is going to let us work on this Elvira a little bit. Looking pretty nice. We got some new ramps and stuff we're going to put on for him. And we got a pat hand coming up. We got an 8-ball deluxe for Kevin. And then we've got a fast break that we need to get working on pretty soon. We've had this game a long time. This is actually our machine. But we stay pretty busy working on repairs that we don't have much time to work on our own. But this is going to be a pretty nice one. We've got a Centipede cocktail. We've got a Rastan cocktail. We got a Space Invaders Deluxe. We've got a Bad Dudes. We've got a Neo Geo 1 slot. The Centipede Cabaret, but it's sold. It's actually going to, it's going out of the country somewhere. I don't remember. Germany maybe. I don't know. But they're supposed to pick that up pretty soon. We got a Miss Pac-Man. It's an original one in pretty good shape. We got a Thief. Don't see those too often. We still have a Choplifter. Not many people like Choplifter apparently. We've had this for a while, but it works great. It's a nice solid Stargate cabinet. I just got my Arch Rivals finished up the other day. We got a Dolphin pinball we're going to be working on for a customer. And we have, I don't remember what this one's called. Airport that we're going to be working on for a customer. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Like I say, this is a short, little, quick, easy repair. Good for me. So I got to clean it up a little bit more, paint it, and then we'll watch it for a few days. But again, thanks for everybody that's been watching, and we'll see you on the next one.